everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to sit down and film this. I got these on the 21 Days of Beauty, like one of my orders. So I do want to try out the Ardell magnetic liner and lash right here. So if you're excited to see if this works, my thoughts. I'm not very good at lashes, but this sounds fun. Go ahead, stay tuned because we're going to put these right on the eyes. Okay, so I did grab these during the 21 Days of Ulta Beauty sale. They weren't on sale. They were just, I think they were new. Are they new? I don't know. I was looking to add some lashes to my cart, and I found these. So, bought them. They're about $15. I do have the style Wispies, so we will try these out. This is no adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben, and latex-free. So, let's, fingers crossed this is gonna go well. I'm very nervous. If you can't tell, I'm quite nervous. Anyways, it says for application, apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. Okay. To remove, gently peel off magnetic lashes to remove the magnetic gel liner residue from the band and magnets, taking care not to detach magnets from the band. Store in the tray for reuse. To remove magnetic gel liner, gently wipe an oil-based makeup remover over closed eyelids until clean. Quick tips. Apply on clean, dry lids. For best results, use primer prior to application. If you need to reposition magnetic lashes once the magnetic gel liner has dried, slowly peel off the lashes and gently remove any magnetic gel liner residue from the band magnets, taking care not to detach the magnets from the lash band. Then reapply a fresh coat of magnetic gel liner before reattaching magnetic lashes. Woo! Okay, so let's get in here to see, you guys can kind of see how they look in box. It doesn't say anything about trimming them, so hopefully they fit. It looks like the magnets are right to the end of the band, and I have small eyes. Well, I mean, I feel like I have small eyes. I don't know. I can't get in here. Boxes. I always have trouble with boxes, containers, getting into things. There we go. I get in. Where there's a will, there's a way, right? Okay, so right here they do have kind of a bigger packaging. As I'm getting into lashes a little bit more, I'm not really a fan of like these bigger packaging. I do prefer the tiny little boxes. Just easier to store. My opinion, this is gonna be a pain. So when you do open it up, you do get the liner, the little kind of, I'm assuming the brush for these wonderful gems. So we are gonna get into this. This is very tiny. It does not extend, but there's this. I do really think this will be nice because it does seem like it's small enough. I mean, if not, I have plenty of angled liner brushes. And then a little pot of liner here. There's that. So really quick, I'm going to dip in here just to see the consistency. Oh, so it's pretty gel-like. Okay, this is a very big brush. But there's that. It does look matte black. I wonder if I could get this smaller line. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this any smaller than this top line here. So, okay, so I have you zoomed in. I do have full face makeup on, and I do have something on my eyelashes. So I will have everything listed down below. Okay, let's see how well these actually stick so you guys can see. Oh, wow. So they do stick. I mean, my hand is not flat, but there you go. Okay. So they do stick. I mean, you're supposed to use 2, but they are sticking to my hand with just the 1 layer. So that's really, really promising. I'm so nervous to do this. Okay. We're just gonna, we gotta do it, right? Okay, so let's see if these are going to fit my eye without having to be trimmed. Actually, that looks like it's going to be pretty good. So nervous for this. Okay, you can do this. I don't usually do liner on camera either, so this is going to be different. Somewhat tacky. They want it somewhat tacky still. Trying to tuck this in my natural lash line as close as possible, just so that I don't get a thick line. Where's my puff? Yes, I have to pull on my eye. I have texture on my eye, and sometimes I just have to kind of straighten out the crinkles. So it is actually drying very, very quick. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a second coat on quite quickly. I mean, as quickly as Kelly can do liner. The consistency is nice. I'm getting a pretty decent line, I feel like. I'm not very good at liner. And I feel like I have to rush with this just because I'm nervous. And it says to stick it while it's still somewhat tacky. So, and it dried on my hand quite quick. So let's see. Oh, is it on? It's on. It's on already? Okay, that was really quick. You guys, that was really quick. It's on. It's on. I can feel it on. You guys, that was so fast. They're a little bit dramatic. Maybe I picked a little bit of a crazier style than I should have, but let's zoom through the other one. I can't believe that went so fast. Okay, so both of them are on. That went really, really quick. I wonder, I'm going to get a little bit closer. Hold on. Okay, just so you can see, it is attached to my eyelid. So they are a little bit of a strong magnet, but I don't see, like, it got in there, just in my lash line. It got in there really, really nice. I was kind of worried that you were going to see every other magnet band, but you don't see the magnet band. So, well, yes, this is a little dramatic to be going to a cross-country race. I am going to wear them for the rest of the day. Okay, so this is kind of an overall look. My hair, it dried. I don't know what it did, but it's kind of cool. I don't know. This side, I pulled it back. But anyways, we're here to talk about some lashes. And again, I will have all the makeup I have on my face listed down in the the description box. But I will wear this all day. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning. My phone is upstairs charging and don't want to run upstairs, but it is about 10 o'clock. The race is later on this evening after dinner, so I will let you know. I'll come back probably about 7, so that'll be like 9-ish hours. I will say right off the bat, they're very, very comfortable. I mean, you can see them as far as like, you see the lashes, but they're not heavy. I have other ones. Honestly, my favorite ones, the House of Lashes Sephora collection right here, these feel heavier than what these do, which is really strange. I wasn't really sure how I was going to feel about the magnets, but right off the bat, I do feel like they're secure, they're in place, and there is a good grip on it. And I'm going to have to carry this in my purse, I'm afraid. So I'm going to have to find something for this little guy to kind of travel in. I don't think I want this whole container. I wish there was a better container. I will say that. Like, I wish the lashes had their own container, and then we'll have to find something for these two items so that they don't get a mess in my purse. And let me know down in the comments, too. Have you guys ever tried magnetic lashes? I've seen, oh, who did it? Oh, somebody did one, and I watched it. I was like, oh, I really want those. And like, I'm like, keyboards so fast, like, on the computer, like, looking up the company. I was like, I'm not spending $100 on lashes. So these were only $15. They are multi-use, so I'm excited to see how long they wear, how long they last. I mean, I don't know. I'm really excited. I've been excited at using lashes and everything, and I'm going to hop off here, you guys. I'm sorry this became really, really long, but I will wrap it up. I will see you in a couple hours. Okay, I am back, and it is later than I wanted to be. It is 10:36. So they've been on for about 12 hours. They're still very comfortable. I don't feel like they're heavy. I don't feel like they moved. What did I do today? Mom chores. I edited. My daughter had a race tonight, so we were outside in the open field, and there was wind, and my hair, it looked like this, so it was grabbing onto the lashes, and I didn't feel any of the lashes lift in any of the spots. I kept checking. They didn't move, you guys. They didn't move. So I thought I would zoom you in, take them off, and see how the liner's doing. Okay, so this is up close. I have not touched my face as far as like makeup touch-ups. I purposely did not do any liner on the lower lash line. There was nothing there. It's a little bit on the inner corner here, but I'm not sure if that's the liner or the mascara, because I did use the Makiage Icon, and I do get transfer on that sometimes. So the slight darkness here, that might be the mascara. We'll try a different mascara, and then I will update you, obviously. But let's go ahead and take them off. They still look really, really nice. Like I said, they didn't move. I think they still look really nice. So let's go ahead and take them off. But you can see, hopefully, I'm lifting my eyelid there, so. And they did just kind of come right off. And you are supposed to clean the excess kind of liner off of these. But there's a couple spots on the outer corner here where there is missing liner from where the lashes had stuck. So, if you had to take them off because they were just that uncomfortable, I don't think this would be a bad look. It's not fully missing, but it's patchy, I guess. But it's not patchy where it's unwearable. And it didn't get patchy until I took the eyelash off. So that is what that looks like. It still looks exactly the same as when I applied it. So let's try some micellar water. I have a Q-tip here so we can see how easy this is to kind of clean off of our eye. And I'm using the same micellar water. I actually forgot to grab an oil-based cleanser, so let's hope this works on this little Q-tip here. I am really happy to see that it didn't fade and it stayed true to the black. Oh yeah, it's coming off with the micellar water. Just like with any liner, I typically will run over it with a very soaked Q-tip. So it did all come off. It's now stuck on my face, but I'm gonna go wash my face anyways, but there is that. I didn't lose any eyelashes like with eye glue, so that it was a really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you out and give you some final thoughts. Okay, so do I think these were worth the $15 price tag? You do get a little potted gel liner, and then you get a brush. It is kind of tiny. It's a little tricky to use, but I unboxed this and put it on camera right away, and I did just fine. And I'm horrible at like liquid liner. It takes me a long time, and whatnot. But and then you do get the pair of lashes, and they went on very quick. And the liner came off. It stayed. The liner stayed. And they were wind tested, with real wind, and I didn't have my hair pulled back, and they didn't move. They didn't do anything. You guys, these are amazing. For $15, I will be picking up others. I will definitely be getting a second pair of these. There's only three others. There's like a half lash, accent lash, I think is what they call it, and then the wispies, which is what I got, and then I'm not sure what they call it. There's another one that's a little more natural, but I really, really like this. I got so many compliments today. So many compliments. I love these. These are so great. I wasn't really sure. I mean, at drugstores sometimes, you know, they're not that great, but anyways, for $15, I will be getting more. And let me know down in the comments. Do you guys pick these up? Have you tried them? Do you try lashes? Do you like the magnet? Are you intrigued? Tell me your thoughts about these magnetic lashes down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.